बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन और सामीन। ये लगता है अफ़गानिस्तान से हैं साहिल ख़ान। ये टाइटल इन्होंने पहले भी सवाल किए थे, तो इन्हीं का ये आया है मुझे। और ऊपर वीडियो भी कोई है, ये वीडियो भी भेजी है इन्होंने बकरी के बच्चों की। अच्छा, वेरी गुड, दैट इज़ अ गुड। चलें जी, और कहते क्या हैं ये देखते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Saab.
बिस्मिल्लाह, वालेकुम
This is
सलाम।
me, Sahil Khan, speaking from Afghanistan.
हाँ जी।
This is the video I have sent to you.
हम्म।
These are the kids of the courts. Some are 5 days kids, some are 1 week, and one is 10 days kids.
जी।
So I want to know what are the precaution, what are the measures we have to follow. I mean, nowadays it is too cold in Afghanistan, and the weather where my farming is located, it is just like Peshawar. But howsoever, these are kids and they cannot afford too much cold. So I want to know what to do, which vaccine is necessary for these kids, so that they may not die. As usually in cold season, the mortality rate, death rate is very high, and I want to keep away from these death rates. So what I have to do, if you could suggest me some good steps. And one very bad news I have to say, one of my goat kids, which I have sent you the video 1 week ago, that kids unfortunately died.
Right.
I don't know what happened. Physically, the body structure was very good, but it has problem in their leg, and I don't know, all sudden water came out from their mouth and it died on the spot. So I don't know what could be the reason. So I want to ask if you could suggest me some good steps for these kids, so to keep healthy. And thank you. And if you can also suggest me some vaccine if it is necessary for these kids. That's Thank you, Dr. Saab. No problem. If you could give me answer in Urdu, I understand Urdu and I can speak Urdu also. But I have answered. I have uh, make the question in English because I can also speak English. Thank you. Alaikum, Dr. Saab. If you could suggest me any vaccine for these kids which are necessary in this cold weather, because the condition, the weather is very cold and they cannot survive in such conditions. So I want to prevent or fight against this bacteria or anything that could attack and that could result as that they become dead. So I want if you could suggest me any vaccine so that it survives. Thank you.
Sahil Khan, I'm extremely sorry for the death of your small kid, which you showed me last time. It was having some serious knee problem at that time, and that might be due to some disease, and which I couldn't help you anyhow. But for these kids, you just take all precautionary measures, which I always say about the kids, that you must keep them warm, don't expose them to the cold too much. And as far as vaccination is concerned, pneumonia vaccine is very much due in November, and enterotoxemia is due in December. But I always avoid giving them vaccination before the age of 3 months. So it's up to you. You just consult your doctors. If there are some vaccines available which they can give to their small kids also. But I don't take risk. I always say that unless they reach to the age of 3 months, don't vaccinate or don't deworm the kids. It's better you give a good feed to their mothers from where they are getting milk, and just keep your goats, especially the female goats, in a very healthy environment, and to face the problem of weather stress. You must give them mineral mixture and vitamins, especially uh, just inject vitamin A, D, 3, E once a week, and it will be good for you and for the kids also. And give them rumafas or comi calcivic powder to all these goats which are bearing these small kids. So this is what is required. And if you have some other problem at this time, uh, watching your video. This shows that they are quite healthy and active. Don't worry, just keep them warm and avoid to go outside during night or during cold weather, very severe cold weather. Okay, take care, and inshallah, next time I will give you more about weaning diet. Also, you watch my programs about weaning diet, and up to the age of 120 days, you just keep them getting milk from their mothers. And if anyone whose mother dies, you just switch to another goat which is having more milk. So this is what is required. Thank you very much, and say salam to everyone at home and to Afghanistan. Pay my regards to all Afghanistanis and my brothers and sisters and my all younger ones, and especially the youth. So take care and say Fimallah. ओ जी नानू आ गया मेरा पाला सा सोनू आ जाओ ओ सॉरी 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 आ जाओ आज दादा की जान आ गई दादा की जान आ गई दादा की जान आ गई वो दादा की जान आ गई है दादा की जान अमेरिका से आ गई है ओह ओह अभी तो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है वो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है हैं हमजा रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है ओके अल्लाह